Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And in today's video, we're going to be showing you the Maxi Cosi Mico 30 infant car seat and how to do a lap and shoulder belt installation for the base. Before you attempt the installation, make sure to go over your owner's manual so you know exactly how your car seat operates and what you might need to do for your specific vehicle. Let's jump right into it. For the Mico 30 base, there are two rules we need to follow. The first rule is going to be making sure the car seat is tight enough. Once we feed the seatbelt through the car seat and tighten it, we need to make sure the base cannot move more than an inch from side to side or front to back. If the car seat can move more than an inch, then we of course need to retighten it. So what we're going to do is going to grab our seatbelt. There is a gap going through both sides of the base, and that's where the seatbelt's going to go through. We're going to feed the seatbelt through the car seat. We're going to buckle in. And your seatbelt needs to be able to lock. In my car, the way it's going to lock is we're going to pull the seatbelt all the way out as far as it can go. And that's going to switch the seatbelt to locking mode. So now when I let it retract, you're going to hear a ratcheting sound. Once the seatbelt's in locking mode, you can lean on the base. And as you're pushing down on it, I'm pulling on the seatbelt. And I want to feed as much of the loose slack back into the car. That's going to continue to lock it. And then with one hand, you're going to grab it from either side and make sure it doesn't move more than an inch. The next thing we got to do is we need to check the angle of the car seat. The leveling device is located on the car seat itself. So once you pop the car seat into the base, you're going to look on the side here. There's a blue section that says level to ground, and there's a line engraved into the side of the vehicle. You need to make sure that that line is as level as possible. If you're on a flat surface, the line should be straight. If you're on a slope, the line should also be on the slope. If the angle is not correct, what we got to do is we got to remove the car seat from the base. We got to disconnect our seatbelt. On the back of the car seat, there is a trigger. If you squeeze that trigger, the boot pops out from the front. So it does give us multiple recline positions to work with, but because we're barely not level with the ground, I'm just going to adjust it one position. Now that we have our new angle set up, we're going to feed the seatbelt through the car seat once again. We buckle it in. Pull the seatbelt all the way out so it's in locking mode. And then we can tighten it. So just like we did earlier. I'm going to slowly push down on the car seat. I'm pulling on the seatbelt. And I'm making sure to feed all the slack back into the car. The base should not be able to move more than an inch from side to side or front to back. And now we can pop the car seat back in to check the angle. Okay. So now the line looks level with the ground. So we know that the angle is in the right position. Now the part of the car seat that worries families the most is the back of the car seat. The back of the car seat will be able to rock side to side. It can move up and down. That is normal. If an accident were to happen, the car seats absorb the crash force and redistribute it. Instead of the force being released on the child, it's released on the back of the car seat. So don't ever test the car seat from the back. The only place you should be testing from is near the seatbelt. Now for Maxi Cosi Mico 30, Maxi Cosi does require the handlebar to be at the most upright position while you're driving, so you're going to leave it up just like that. When you're ready to remove the car seat from the base, there is a button behind the car seat. You're going to squeeze it, and then you can lift it up and out. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.